Let's just hope this tour goes okay. Yeah, the last one was rubbish. Okay, here we go around the table.
My mom's just doing homework here. My mom's just doing dinner.
Ah, what a nice group. A sombrero. Awesome! I've always wanted a sombrero! How nice does that look? Yeah. Oh my god, it's my mom! Sombrero attack! Oh, damn, I missed.
And just make me this. What do you want?
I want a sombrero!
What can I make for a sombrero?
No, don't kick my sombrero! It's my favorite sombrero!
I'm
Oh,
just making dinner for you.
God, nothing ever goes right. Let's just go upstairs for crying out loud.
I bet I'm not.
I'm watching the worst accident of my life! I'm gonna jump out of the window! How cool is that? Out of the window! Out of the window! Whoa!
Please! Oh, you're being dumb. Ben, please stop annoying me. I'm trying to get.
Wow, I'm in the garden! What? What the hell is it blue? Oh my god, I'm in the sky! I'm gonna land on the ground! My god, I'm gonna land on top of a shop! Oh!
Oh, Ben, why did you have to land in the window? I was about to go on your brother. Oh.